Hello, my name is Dyma Niamh Buckland. I'm on the production management apprenticeship, which is 18 months long, and I'm based in Cardiff Bay in Roselock, and I'm working on Casualty at the minute. I've had loads of different opportunities since starting. I've been offered the chance to do rotation, which means that I get to move around to different departments. So at the minute I'm in post-production, which means that I oversee people doing editing. I've been doing subtitling using Final Draft, and I've been sitting in on ADR sessions, which means the voices that we miss in the background we have to add in later. So I've been sitting in on them, and yeah, I'll have the opportunity to move around to script and story later on. But overall it's just a really great time. I'm loving the production office and I'm loving post, and I'm sure I'll love script and story and hopefully the floor as well. Some of the highlights would be when I was sitting in on one of the ADR sessions, we noticed some that were missing, so I volunteered to pop my voice in for some of them. So my episode is going to be episode 27 of series 38, where I'm a nurse in the background. You wouldn't know it's me unless you really paid attention, but it is me. And then the other one would be doing synopses and one-line billings for episodes for series 38. I wrote those with the script department, and I've done 4 episodes, Ep 16, 22, 25, 27, I think. Might have done 5, I'm not sure. They all blend together. But that just means watching the episodes, and it's cool because you get spoilers that people can't know about, so I can't say anything. And then when you look on BBC iPlayer for those episodes, you'll see my writing there that describes the episode. So I'd say that's one of the highlights, but I'm really enjoying it so far. And I'm ready to do another one of these in 6 months, where I'm like, I gotta say goodbye now. So.